will go over how to create the fall fluid marble look, highlighting shades from the new Fall Wonders collection. Here are the items needed to follow along. As always, start off by applying Stay Classic base coat, remembering to cap the free edge. Cure for 30 seconds in the OPI Starlight. Apply one coat of Peace of Mind, cap the free edge, and cure for 30 seconds. On a blank form paper, polish on strokes and blobs of Red Feel Your Truth, I Mika Be Dreaming, Medi Take It All In, and Peace of Mind. Using a small dotting tool, swirl the uncured gel to create a marbled effect. Take an ombre brush and scoop up the marbled gel. Place it on the nail and drag it on in a swirl motion. Repeat this process until the entire nail surface is covered. After wiping the ombre brush clean, dip it into OPI's Pro Spa Nail and Cuticle Oil. Dot various sized drops of oil into the uncured layer of the gel. This will create the fluid art effect. Be sure to place drops all over the nail's surface. Once you're happy with the look, cure for 30 seconds. Thoroughly cleanse the nail using NAS 99. Apply a layer of Stay Shiny top coat to the nail. Before curing, drag a loaded brush down the center of the nail to create a smooth surface, making sure all the craters are filled. Cure for 30 seconds in the OPI Starlight. Cleanse the nail with NAS 99 to remove the inhibition layer. Recreate this look with the Fall Wonders shades for the perfect fall nail art.